Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the workout measurement units on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can change the energy units, pull length units, cycling, walking and running units, as well as the automatic track detection units. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings and tap Workout. Then scroll down the workout settings and tap Units of Measure. Here you can choose between the different units of measure for each activity. The unit with the blue check is the selected unit of measurement. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.